Have you ever seen a pot of water start to boil and bubble? Have you? You put a picture in your mind. I put a picture here. You can imagine that the cup starts to bubble, 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 and eventually gets to the part where it just starts to bubble right over. And I was thinking that it's a lot like the character's journey up and down the story mountain, and how the bubbles start to grow, much like the character's problems. And then they continue, and they continue, and they continue until the character gets to the turning point, the climax of the story. And it's important for us to study the climax of the story. Think, how is that part important to the character's journey up and down the story mountain? So today, we are going to give that a try. We are going to study how readers notice the climax or the turning point in the story, the parts that make your heart race, makes your palms sweat, and your just eyes are glued to the page. You can't put it down because you want to know what happens next. That's the climax of the story. We don't just notice the part, but we study that part, and we ask ourselves, why might this part be important to the character's journey? I thought we could give this a try. Are you thinking about a part in our read aloud that could be the climax, the turning point? You are. Let's try this. Let's do some work. Let's read it and let's think to ourselves, why is this part important? How does it connect to our character's journey? You're ready. Diamond's mother sent her across the street for some Chinese takeout. On the way back, Diamond found Free sitting alone on the stoop of the building in her corner. She had heard he lived nearby, but this was the first time she'd seen him. Hey, she said as she passed. As always, Free just grunted, huh? Diamond shook her head. Now, if you were smart, said Diamond, you could have said pays for horses if you were smart. She's standing up to him. We know she does that. What's so smart about that? He shot back. Oh my gosh, this is the first time that he stands up. He stands up to her. Is your heart racing? Mine is too. I think this is probably the moment, the climax, the turning point in the story. Let's go think, why is this part important to the story? Okay, let's read a little bit more. Diamond turned around and walked back to his stoop. There was something bugging this kid. And Diamond was going to find out what. Nobody could do that all the time for no reason. But he, that would be the climax, the turning point in the story. Why is this part here? You thinking? Say it into the screen. Tell your pet at home. Or jot it down. You probably were saying things like, this is the moment where Diamond and Free start to connect. She wonders more about him. She wants to find out more about him. She says here, nobody could be that mean all the time for no reason, could he? But she's curious. She's not given up on him as a friend. I feel like here's the place where they're either going to be friends or enemies. And she wants to get to know him more. And this is important in Diamond's path, in her journey, because Free could be a friend. Free could be the friend that she's been wanting, the friend that she's been really wanting the whole time, right, and hoping for. So this part is important, not just because it's the moment where her and Free have this altercation, but it's the part where they start to see each other a little bit more in a different light. So, readers, as you're reading your club book, it'll be really important that you're thinking about the climax, the turning point in your book club book, and you're studying the characters in those character's journey. That's important work to try today. Also, you're going to want to think about some of the other strategies that we looked at before. And consider where you are in your story. What makes sense for you to study in your book club today? So, make an assignment for the number of pages you have read, and then come up with a thinking assignment. What will help you to deepen your understanding of your book today? Okay? All right. You're tasked with some really important work. I can't wait to see how you take it into your book club conversation and how it